Okay, to set up your wireless Bluetooth on your Lexus 200ct, this is going to be the way to do it without the navigation. You go to your settings button, and go to your settings area, and go to your Wi-Fi. Your Bluetooth. It's going to search here. Then you press the voice button right here. Setup.
Setup. Please push the talk switch and say security, phone setup, or Bluetooth audio setup.
Now I found it's a lot easier to go ahead and just use the tune button here and get to the phone setup area here. You push down to select.
Setup. Push the talk switch and say pair phone, select phone, change name.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the adjustable here, the tune, where it says pair phone. I'm going to push down again.
Push the talk switch and say a name for the phone.
Push this button now. Maya. Maya.
Push the talk switch and say confirm. Otherwise,
confirm.
To use the internal Bluetooth audio player feature of the phone, say internal audio. Otherwise, say phone.
I'm just going to use this. The phone only.
Ready for phone pairing. Now, please use the phone to connect it to the hands-free system. The passkey for the phone is 5602. Searching.
Now my Bluetooth button is going to look. It says car multimedia not paired. I'm going to hit the button right there.
Searching.
And then it's going to say enter into this number that it just gave me, 5602. I'm going to hit pair button. And it says connected.
The phone is paired. Phone setup. Push the talk switch and say pair phone, select phone.